Welcome to my channel. My name is London, and today we're going to be trying out the new Fenty Beauty Stalk'r palette. But before we do that, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So this is a new limited edition palette by Fenty Beauty, and it launched today, April 1st, which is also the first day of the Sephora sale. So definitely go ahead and grab this because I'm already obsessed with it. So it has 5 shades of the Stalk'r bronzers, and this is what she looks like. Is that not gorgeous or what? So if you guys don't already know, I am obsessed with the Stalk'r bronzers. I do already have 2 shades, and if you do have the Stalk'r bronzers, they are already in the palette. Like Into Sun and Private Island are both in here. But I think this palette is a great deal. This is limited edition. It's $48, and then one of these is $34. So, I mean, if you want to try out bronzing and you love Fenty Beauty's formula, you get all the shades of the bronzers plus 2 highlighter shades. And of course, you can use it on your eyes or your face. And I'm going to be trying out all of the shades today. I cannot wait. I literally just slapped some makeup on and I cannot wait to get my face like super bronzed up. Look at my poor Into Sun shade. It's starting to get a dip. Though, before we get into this, I do want to say I am a little bit disappointed. I want Fenty to come out with more collections. I think it would have been so cool to come out with some really cool like bronze or like more brown toned eyeliners for this collection, or even like some slip shine lipsticks that are a little bit more bronzy neutrals, just like something else to kind of go along with the palette. That's just me though. I always want more Fenty Beauty. So I'm going to take the bronzer brush and I'm going to first start off with Into Sun because of course this one is my favorite. This one is great if you are a little bit more on the fairer side and you just want like a nice little flush of bronzer. You don't want it to look too warm. You just want like some extra dimension to your face. This is like literally the best shade. So I'm actually going to go in with Caramel Cutie, this one right here, because I already have Private Island. I do want to dip a little bit into Caramel Cutie, and I'm just going to put that on the high points of my cheekbones. This is really a good place to put bronzer if you're wanting like a super bronze look, because it's like right where the sun would normally hit your skin. And then right on my forehead. Look at how pretty that bronzer looks. And I'm also going to take a little bit of this and put it over my eyes to kind of blend my eyes into my cheeks. I love when I can just slap everything on my face. I don't know what it is. There's something like super convenient and like satisfying about that you can just like blend your eyeshadow into your cheek color for that like easy monochromatic look. And then I'm also going to put a little bit of that first shade on my nose. This one I'm going to do a little bit more like nose contouring. So I'm just roughly going around my nose where I would normally want to kind of contour. That's why I love this brush, because it's like pointed. I can go in precisely, but it also blends everything out. And then I'm going to take Private Island and just do a little bit on the tip of my nose to kind of replicate that like bronze look. Then I'm going to take the deepest shade in here, Thick Mint, with my Fenty Beauty blending brush. And I'm going to stick this right on my outer corner. This shade is very interesting, and I'm glad that they included it into the palette, because even though I'm more on the fairer side, this shade is just absolutely stunning on the eyes. When I swatched it, I was so impressed. So I just went ahead and just defined what I already had going on, and then I'm going to go in with that Caramel Cutie and further kind of blend it out. Alright, now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow brush and taking Thick Mint and running that under my lower lash line. And then taking Caramel Cutie, I'm going to blend that out to match what I have going on the lid. And then taking another sweep of that Caramel Cutie and just further going in and blending out the edges between the eyeshadow and the bronzer. So we're finally getting into the new highlighter shades. This one is Fat Glass and this one is Gold Card. I'm gonna take Gold Card first because it is gold, but it has a little bit of like a coppery color to it. And I'm just gonna put this all over the lid because look at how pretty that shade is. And then I'm gonna take my eyeshadow brush and Fat Glass and I'm just gonna highlight my inner corner and kind of push that shade up into my crease. I'm also gonna highlight my brow bone. And then taking the highlighting brush from Fenty, I'm gonna mix the two highlighter shades because I love the coppery shade, but I think it's a little bit too deep for me, so I'm just gonna mix them on my cheek, and wow, that is so pretty. Taking whatever is left, I'm just gonna run it over my nose. I'm feeling so pretty and bronzy. I'm gonna do the rest of my eyes off of camera real quick. All right, and this is the completed look. I am obsessed with this. This can easily be my everyday look for the spring and summer. Just like super bronze, super easy, all in one palette. I did use the Fly Pencil in the shade Puppy Eyes, if you guys were curious. And for my lips, I used the Fenty Icon lipstick in the shade number 8, Major Magnet. Magnate? I don't know. Magnet? I don't know how to say that. And then, of course, the Fenty mascara. But yeah, and this looks so easy. I am so happy. I think the price for this is fantastic compared to the regular Fenty bronzers. And I'm so happy to be obsessed with another Fenty product, of course. But that is it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.